morning, children. I will be your maths teacher.
My name is Nandini Singh and I have secured 99.4% in CBSE Class 10th examination. The credit first of all I want to give to my parents who have always supported me in difficult times. I'd also like to thank all my teachers who have always supported me and helped me by doing all the activities and things that are required at my wrong times. Moreover, I like to thank the God who have always been there and always been helped me in my difficult situations.
सबसे पहले मैं थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगी स्कूल के सारे टीचरों को जिन्होंने इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम में भी स्कूल की सारी पढ़ाई के मामले में सारी व्यवस्था को बहुत ही सुचारू ढंग से किया।
सभी गुरुजनों को मेरा प्रणाम। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, लेबर अंडर गुड गाइडेंस इज वे टू सक्सेस। इस विपरीत परिस्थिति में पतंजलि स्कूल के टीचरों ने जिस तरह समय के अनुसार बच्चों को साइंटिफिक टीचिंग दिया है, वही मेरे बच्चे के लिए सफलता का कारण है।
Dear students, we are celebrating the Foundation Day of Patanjali Rishikul, 12th August 2011, when the school was founded. It is a school which thinks differently, which believes in value-based education and making the students effective partners and participants in the process of learning. Our founder believed that only enlightened centers of learning can regenerate and empower the country by giving it citizens of character and integrity. Our goals are training the students in the right values, giving them freedom to explore, to inquire, and to develop knowledge. We believe in self-discipline and self-learning. Your teachers guide you. They are there to facilitate your learning. Your parents also help you. But ultimately, you have to work hard to become good and active learners. Patanjali Rishikul has been doing very well in the past decade in all academic as well as co-curricular activities. The school has given the city topper for the past 2 consecutive years, 2020 and 2021. Credit goes to you, children, for working so hard under the able guidance of your teachers. So let us express our gratitude to our teachers and the principal for giving us such a conducive environment of learning. We have to resolve to do very well. Please set a high goal in life. Give your 100%. Don't be afraid. Success will be yours. Foundation Day is a day to recall the vision of the school. Empower, educate, and enrich. And also to resolve to carry forward the proud legacy of the founder and to carry out our responsibilities sincerely. So happy celebrations, happy Foundation Day, dear children.
My dear students, remembering Sri Lokmani Lalji's vision of education on 11th Foundation Day, Patanjali Rishikul resolves once again to fully dedicate itself to his work of building schools from whose atmosphere children could imbibe the values of connecting with and caring for everyone in the human world and everything in the non-human world of the nature. Bearing the name of a great Rishi of India, Patanjali Rishikul would embody the rich Indian culture and human values along with the latest advancements in science and technology, thereby becoming the torchbearer of the world-class model of education. Change comes with new challenges and we become even more stronger. Our teachers have been successfully working as a team to positively engage and inspire students even in this unprecedented challenging situation by adopting new skills, methods and competencies and are making efforts to build foundation of resilience and positivity among students to face such challenges in future. Our students have excelled in academics, being city topper for 2 consecutive years in CBSE All India Senior Secondary Examination, and they have also performed brilliantly in co-scholastic activities. They are sensitive to the surroundings and aware of their role as future citizens. We are proud of you, dear students. On this Foundation Day, let us dedicate ourselves to transform the vision of our founding father into reality. Happy Foundation Day to you all.